Business Intelligence and Data Warehousing, BI for short, is one of the latest course offerings introduced to the Bachelor of Commerce e-Supply Chain Management program offered at the Business School of Algonquin College. For many years now, businesses have been accumulating all kinds of data, and the challenge to management at this time is to make sense of all that data and to leverage that data for a competitive advantage. To help them tackle that challenge, employers today are seeking individuals who are skilled in the area of business intelligence and can support transformation initiatives as well as help them leverage their data for improved decision making. At Algonquin College, the focus has always been to listen to demands of the job market and to design programs that are responsive to the needs of the market and equip students to deliver value. The Bachelor of Commerce e-Supply Chain Management has already won endorsements from industry. This is a testament to the wealth of knowledge and expertise embodied in the program. Graduates enter the workforce ready to work with such enterprise resource planning applications as SAP, and they do deliver value. BI and Data Warehousing Architecture are the latest additions to the lineup of courses in the Commerce e-Supply Chain program. In addition to analytics theory and practice, students get hands-on training in using state-of-the-art industry software for data mining and intelligence reporting. They also learn to create mobile applications that are deployed using QR codes. Here are just a few highlights. First, you need a data source, and we get hands-on experience in the SAP environment. Next, you also master the use of Query Designer. Further, in this program, we are schooled in SAP's own BEX Query Designer. In summary, we get to learn to create an analytics-based mobile app that can display different views of the data on a mobile device. This involves creating an instance of an internet-based application, customizing the interface, linking to a query, testing the application, generating QR codes so that the application can be viewed by anyone with a QR reader, and internet connection and the link. This next slide will provide a demo of all we have. So what we have here is a practical demonstration of everything we've talked about in previous slides. Now we have a colorful picture here which actually represents the data we have linked to as well as the query we have designed. Now what we have done at this point is to customize the interface of our web application, and all that is left is to click on save, which we have, and now we can then either execute this application locally as such, in which case it would load in my browser, or alternatively we could actually create a QR code which will then let us send the link to this application to any portable device. Now what happens is when we click send to mobile device, we have QR code. Now if you're all familiar with QR code, we know that what this can do a couple of things for us. If we have a QR reader on our phone, simply scanning this will load the application in our portable device. Alternatively, we could of course print this picture and send it off to anyone who would like to share the application view with. And finally, we could also copy this URL and then have it display in a browser on a portable device. In fact, if we clicked that URL and sent it as a text, it will have the same effect as this. So if we were to assume for the moment that we are actually now looking at the application in a browser on our portable device, we see the pretty pictures, and the greatest advantage of this is we have data which has been customized by some analysts several thousands of miles away, and by using QR codes we can immediately provide this app and this view to any number of human beings all over the world, provided they are connected to the internet. and have the means of viewing this application, either on a portable device or within a browser. Now, to demonstrate what we can do, for instance, I would look at the customer view and I'll just filter out some data. Now, when I click apply, what I expect to happen is that the chart on my left, most likely your right, will update. And so what this has shown us is we can immediately see the impact of changing variables of our data. And this will definitely help decision makers arrive at the most appropriate decision. These are just some of the things that this application can do for us. And so having viewed the app and the process of application development in summary, we can generally say that these are exciting times in the world of analytics, and having access to these tools provides for a new level of performance for students who are graduating from the B-Commerce supply chain management program at Algonquin College. For further information, you can contact the college or the coordinator. Thank you.